There's a lot of work to do around Gaushala besides taking care of the gaumatas. Right now I'm in the greenhouse, which I use to keep sawdust. Sawdust is used in the cow sheds to keep them clean for the cows. So I keep bags of sawdust in this greenhouse, but I haven't tidied it up for a year or so. It's got huge weeds, and now I'm going to pull them all out. And I've got this tool for this purpose. I'm going either to just pull them out or to cut them off and take them outside. And there are wasps here. I guess there's a wasp nest somewhere inside, and if they get them angry, they will bite me. So I have to be very careful. I have to
Я снимаю. Блин,
It took around 2 hours to pull out all the weeds. This is the result. It's nice and clean now, and the space is ready for more sawdust.